Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm just gonna share with you that how to follow businessman on Instagram. So before sharing with you that actually how to follow businessman or real estate service provider on Instagram. So I'm just simply tell you like how it works. Especially Instagram post mainly based on hashtag. So I will have to search them by using hashtag. So simply I'm just opening um, Instagram application. Okay, so after that I will just simply search on search bar, like if I need a businessman, so then I would simply search on businessman, like I have personally searched it before. So I'm also write down right now businessman, and then you can see there's lots of posts available by this. So I'm just opening one post here, and let's see, like there's a lots of posts. And okay, so there is another post. I can open it. Actually you can see 11 hours ago this post uploaded. So before following before liking on this post and follow this person, you need to remember one thing, like those who like on this post and actually they are active followers, like active users. I should follow someone who is active. So actually if we follow someone like who is not active, if we follow them, actually they will never give us follow back. So those who are active, they can give us follow back. So always you will have to remember before before following someone. Okay, just as I open this post already, I'm following this person, and actually I will write, I will like on this post, and I can also comment on this post, like such as nice, good, or like this. You can like anything else, and then you will open likes option, like who has likes on this post. Okay, so actually they are real followers. Actually they are active audience. Okay, first I'm opening it, and I can see there is a lot of people who has liked on this post. Actually they are, if it was in the first, actually he's recently, that's he's very active. Just I can follow 10 or 12 person on this. So just I'm following. Okay, actually I followed a lot of people, so there is actually today is not recommends me just for follow, but actually we will follow at least 10 people on this post. And if you just like, actually they are interested in business, so that is why they have like on this post. Just you will follow 10%, and then you will can see a result, like whenever you will follow them and when you will like in their post, actually they'll engage to you and they will give you follow back. So by this process you can follow businessman and real estate service provider, and I'm also going to share with you the process as well. Okay, so yeah, like if you need a real estate service provider, simply press on hashtag and then have on here real estate service services, like real estate service. Yeah, now you can see there is a lot of people who has posted by using this hashtag. Actually those who have posted on this, actually they are real estate service provider. Okay, if you need them, actually if you're interested to do these kind of things, so actually you can follow them and you can see how they are working. So by just looking, just by just seeing them, actually you can learn. And we also can follow them like this. I can like, and actually I will in the same process, like who has like on this post, and I will follow them. Actually they will follow me. Like if you're interested to give them a hands up service, actually inshallah they will take you the service. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. All the best.